million something YouTube subscribers.
Oh yeah,
That's that nigga that like he pull up on he pull up on bitches and ask what they do and shit.
Oh damn, I ain't know that. My boy SRT Measy outside, man.
Damn. Oh my god. Hey, y'all do hear that Mustang, huh?
Facts. Yeah, as I said, the turbo sound crazy.
No racing.
That's a single turbo. You can hear that bitch. Nah, facts.
That whole already a GT350. That's not a 5.0.
Oh my god.
I ain't gonna lie, don't race no Mustang with the exhaust cut off too.
Oh, you said that?
E85 tunes. That's the cheat code. You see a Mustang with the exhaust off, do not race that hoe. That's